Hi everyone. Today is Vintage Wednesday.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on my crochet channel, which is called Craving Crochet. I thank you, each and every one of you, for joining me today. Today I will be showing you my current Vintage Wednesday make. Today is Vintage Wednesday for Wednesday, July 21st, 2021. It all goes together, 21st, 2021. Yay! Anyways, I've been working on this breakfast jacket. So the past 2 weeks have kind of been, it's just been a busy time. So I haven't really been working too much on it, but let me show you my progress. I have the pattern. It's free for download on my Craving Crochet group on Facebook. I'll leave the link below. I'll put it in here. And I also have it on my blog, which is called cravingcrochet.com. They're all there, available for free download if you want to do this with me. I will show you my progress. This is the pattern. Again, it's called the breakfast jacket. And it's not a difficult pattern. It's just I feel like it's just not long enough for me right now, and I have to keep. I changed the hook size. The pattern recommended a 5mm, and I'm using a 4mm. So maybe that's why it's taking so long. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's kind of like. Let me show you what it looks like. Hold on. Let me show you my progress. I have progressed quite a bit since my last video. Not too much, I don't know, but you let me know what you think. I had to change. I changed up some of the yarn. Get the hook out of here. I changed up some of the yarn because I was kind of getting tired of this bright yellow. It is pretty and it looks very vintagey, but I did actually add in another color that has some yellow in it, but it's got more than just yellow. It's got some reds and some rusts, and it's just, I feel like it just adds a lot more interest to it. So that's where I am. I have to make this 41 inches. Yeah, I have to make it 41 inches. So I measured it last night and I was 31 inches. So I got 10 more inches to go in order to make it long enough. But so basically you're making a point in the middle as you do it. Hopefully I can show you all on the camera. And then this is going to end up being the back. It's kind of like a shawl. It looks kind of like a shawl. And then this comes over the shoulders. Let me just put it over my shoulders. Maybe I can show you that way. So, and then you just fold it in half, and then you have to sew once you make it long enough. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try and show you this way maybe. See? And then you're going to end up sewing this to make the sleeves, one on one side, one on the other, and then we have to make a border. So it's not long enough yet, so I got to keep going. And I added this beautiful yarn to it, which I think adds a lot of beautiful interest to it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to finish it. It just seems like one of those projects that it's taken me forever to do. But I've been busy, so that's where I'm at with the breakfast jacket. If you want the pattern, like I said, it's free. Go to my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link. And I have other patterns there as well. That dress is the Juliet dress. That was my first vintage crochet pattern that we did. And some people did it along with me and posted some pictures of it on my Facebook group. And they're gorgeous. So I have the pattern on my Facebook group as well. It's called the Juliet dress, and on my Craving Crochet blog. And then that other one is the, I don't know if you could see it very well. It is my latest tutorial, and it's just like the tank topper, just to kind of hide the cleavage, because I don't like that showing. Anyways, that's my latest tutorial if you want to check that out. It's really easy. If you have some tank tops that you feel are low and you want a little bit more coverage, it's really easy to make. So anyways, that's where I'm at today. I thank you all so much for joining. I thank you all to my new subscribers and my loyal returning subscribers. I'm going to be doing a giveaway shortly, but I'm going to be doing it differently than I have been. I'm going to be helping out a friend who really needs a lot of help. She is victim of domestic violence, and she has a family, and she's having a really hard time getting help because her family is quite large. So this giveaway is going to be kind of related to helping this victim of domestic abuse as well. So I'm just hoping and praying for her that she gets everything that she needs. And I'm going to be reaching out to my subscribers as well to see if they can help. And I'll be talking about that in the next few videos. I'll be putting out an official video. It's a giveaway, and also it's going to be helping this mother out. So anyways, I thank you all for being here. I'm excited that for my new subscribers and my returning subscribers, and I'm just grateful for you all. I just pray that you have a blessed day, and leave me a comment if you like this content. Like the video, share the video. I'm going to be asking you to share the other one, the giveaway one. That one's going to be needing a lot of sharing. So I'm just so grateful for you all, and thank you for coming back and for your loyalty. I'm grateful, and we'll talk soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.